Good morning, boys. What is up? Today is Monday, June 29th. I did end up making some money. I overslept. As you can tell, it is currently 10:30 a.m. I don't think I've ever been up this late trading. Draw wasn't met yet. I got pretty lucky in that aspect of things. I'm gonna go over how I made 700 across 4 accounts, so 2,800 on Top Step, 1.4K across one account, and then 1,000 across three. I did end up blowing one alpha account just because I was driving. I saw the setup last night and I couldn't get a fill for my life. I literally could not get a fill for my life. And I had to trading on your phone and trade of it is just the worst thing ever. So long story short, I got a really bad fill and I had to risk a lot for the trade to make sense. And I blew one account. The other ones made $1 to $1.4 thousand depending on the fill. So let's just call it an even 4K on alpha because one of the accounts is gone. 500 on my live account. I got trailed out of this trade. It should have been 2 bands. And then 900 on my Tradeify evals. I blew my Lucid evals as well. I went for a stupid trade and I blew my Lucid evals. I'm an idiot for that. But let's get into the trade recap. I want to show you guys Asia because I always forget to show you guys the trade I take in Asia. I always, without failure, do. Right? So market opens. We rip to the upside. I notice a few things. We have a volume imbalance here, which price has to fill whether it wants to or not, right? And there is no way this is a daily open candle. There is no way this is the daily open candle, and I hope that and that's what we just did. Okay, we just put in a new wick low. Okay, that makes sense. That's why price is reversing. I'm an idiot. Okay, so this was my draw, and as you can see, it literally played out beautifully. Wow, price top bottom ticked that. Didn't even notice that. But my objective for the day was for this 6 p.m. open to have a larger wick low because we are on the daily and weekly time frame as well here, guys. We're not just right. This is the daily candles open, right? The daily's candle open cannot just be a small little wick, right? I don't know if I'm allowed to curse on here. I'm gonna try because I curse a lot. I don't know if that is good. So I want to see a bigger wick get put in price. That is the premises of my trades. Meaning what? Meaning I don't care if price has been going long the whole day. I don't want to FOMO into longs, right? There was a market open long that was clean, and I'll show you guys that now, but that's about it. Right, so what I see is, all right, we're pushing higher and higher. We had a bearish SMT at this high. If you look at 8:17 p.m. and 3:45 on ES. Sorry, you can see this and this. You can see ES took it out while Nasdaq didn't, right? Meaning what? Meaning I'm going to be bearish. We're also at this point in time in a 5-minute rejection block that I couldn't. Actually, maybe I can show it. I just have to find it. Beautifully reject EQ. SMT at the high. Entered in shorts here. My original TP was all the way down here. I also got filled like here. My original TP was all the way down here, but ES took it out and formed an SMT. So I closed early. If we look at ES. Sorry guys, I'm so slow today. Can you guys see ES? Like barely, right? Let me fix that for you guys. There. Now you can see yes. Okay, perfect. Sorry, I'm so sorry. I don't know you guys cannot see yes. I just realized. So this is my TP on NQ, correct? This wick right here. Take a look at ES. Take a look at Nasdaq. ES takes that out. Why is that my TP? It's an unfilled 5-minute gap. So ES tops that, NQ doesn't. I exit my position early, and I take my $700 per account. Now, what happens at market open? Few things happen at market open. We have Asian lows below us. I don't know why that was. Asian lows below us. I'm bearish on the higher time frame. What do? We sweep out this accumulation. This is a very choppy price action. We sweep out all these highs, right? So an AMD setup, the 5-minute close is very bearish. I'm actually looking for shorts around this time. I woke up literally right here and I was like, no way we don't retrace a bit and give me a short entry. We didn't retrace once. I entered so late in the move just because the 5 minute didn't give us a single retrace, right? And it doesn't look like we're getting one now either. This is a very bad hourly candle. But I noticed we don't get an hourly, we don't get a 5 minute retrace. I'm like, damn, what is this, right? I look for a 1 minute entry. That makes sense to me. I look for a wick to get put in structurally that shouldn't get taken out. So we tap into this gap, we push lower. I'm like, all right, I want to see the next candle also respect it, and I'll just move a bigger stop. This candle opens high, closes low. I enter short here, my stop's up here, TP here. Right. This was the trade, and I basically just closed early for $500. So I closed literally here, right? Basically close here. I don't know why I was trailing my stop, and I don't know what crossed my mind, but I literally just moved my stop right above where price was. Right, I think it was after this candle started pushing lower, I just moved my stop to its open, and I was like, all right, we shouldn't retrace to this. I just didn't like the way that price left 2 5 minute gaps, so I was trailing very aggressively, and I trailed a little bit too aggressive because I would have made a lot more money. But basically, Asian lows is here. We also have a 6 p.m. wickless candle, wickless at a very small wick. I wanted a bigger wick, and if we take a look at ES on the 5 minute, it's like least obvious low resistance liquidity resting below us. Like, are you serious? This is trend line liquidity begging to be taken out. Same thing on NASDAQ, trend line liquidity begging to be taken out. So when we swept these highs and we got a 15-minute and 5-minute change in state in delivery. Why is this a change in state in delivery? You sweep the high, you get a candle closure below the body's open that made the move to the upside possible, right? You're gonna shit the bed. And that's exactly what happened, right? I'm also pretty happy to announce the funded formula is finally out. So if you guys want to learn how I trade and how I catch moves on a daily basis, I'll leave a link for that in the description. I also have the free Discord where I give my daily buys and everything literally 100% free. Everything 100% free. And I'm pretty bored right now as well. I want you guys to let me know what is some cool content you guys would want to see. I really want to know from you guys what is some cool content for YouTube or for Instagram that you guys would love to see, because I'm posting trade recaps 24/7, and I know you guys are loving the prop firm tutorials, so I guess I can make some more of those if you guys enjoy watching those. Whatever will benefit you guys the most. My goal is to literally turn every single viewer of mine into a successful trader. So if I could do that, I will be more than content with my life, right? I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I'll see you boys tomorrow. All right, peace out.